Hello grade 4, how are you doing? Today we're gonna start unit 9, which is about energy, lesson 1, which is about what are some forms of energy. So please bring your book, pen and your highlighter and open your book page 429 and please write down your vocabs here, which are energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy. But before talking about forms of energy, which our title of our lesson today, we must know what is the meaning of energy. To understand the meaning of energy, let's start with this question. Can you name 3 things in your home that use or need energy to work? Number 1, lamps. Number 2, TV. Number 3, refrigerator. Number 4, washing machine. And so on. All of those examples are examples that use energy to work. Even you need energy to do exercise, to walk, to run, and even to study. But what's your source of energy? Our source of energy is food that we eat it. So human needs food to get energy. By this energy, human will do things. Also car. Car needs energy to move. The source of energy in the car is gasoline. Gasoline is like food for the car. Cars need it to get energy, like here, and to move. So car need gasoline to move, and human needs food to do things. So what the meaning of energy? Energy is the ability to cause change in matter. Okay, so what the meaning of cause change in matter? Or what the meaning of cause change? As you see here, this car without energy is not moving, but with energy it moves like this one. So this is the meaning of change. The car has changed from not moving to moving. We have 3 main types of energy, which are kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy, and there are relations between them as you see here. We're gonna start with the first type, which is potential energy. What the meaning of potential energy? Potential energy, it means stored energy or energy something has because its position or condition, and it's affected by 2 things. Number 1, mass. Number 2, height. When the mass or height increase, the potential energy increase and vice versa. I have here a question. Identify which object has more potential energy and why. Object A or object B? Please think. We're gonna find that object B has more potential energy than object A because object B is higher than object A. Let's move to the second kind of energy, which is kinetic energy or motion energy. What the meaning of kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of motion or moving. So when you move, the kind of energy you have is kinetic energy. Have you ever been on a roller coaster? First, when a roller coaster car climb a hill, they seem to stop for just a moment here. What kind of energy here? It is potential energy because they not moving. But when they speed down the bottom of the hill, they have kinetic energy. Let's move to this video to understand the meaning of kinetic energy and potential energy and back again.
But the roller coaster gains potential energy. At the top of the hill, the coaster has potential energy. As the coaster moves down the hill, it now has kinetic energy or energy of movement. So mechanical energy is the total of the potential energy plus the kinetic.
Hi guys, we are back again. In the end of the previous video, we know that the third type of energy, which is mechanical energy, and mechanical energy is the total of potential energy and kinetic energy of an object. Okay, we are finished and let's move to the back page for 430 and highlight the important parts. We're gonna highlight here only the word gasoline, and gasoline is like the source of energy of the car. And in this page, page 431, we're gonna highlight the meaning of energy. Energy is the ability to cause change in matter. And also we're gonna highlight food. And on page 432, we're gonna highlight the meaning of kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. And we're gonna highlight the meaning of potential energy, which is the energy something has because of its position or condition. And we're gonna highlight the meaning of mechanical energy, which is the total potential energy and kinetic energy of an object. And we finish today. Good luck and have a nice day. Thank you.